welcome back to Jayden TiVi. Today my challenge is to build this giant Lego. Join me for the fun. Let's go! This is what it looks like and I'm gonna build it all. Also you can cook in this here.
Oh, what's that?
If you look in here you can cook.
It's like a caravan, is it?
Yeah,
That's
you can cook in here.
That's a big one, Jayden. How old are you?
5. But
And
this is, I'm 5 years old, but this is a 9+, so I can still do it because my mom bought it for me.
That's a big challenge for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
Giant
let's go.
challenge. Wow.
Whoa, that's
And this is a giant.
instruction book, yeah, that's a thick one.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, we're gonna do a time lapse,
Yeah.
so it can be speed up a bit, okay?
I don't want to do a time lapse.
On the video only, but you can do it slowly outside.
Okay. Bag number 1. Bag number 2. Bag number 3. Bag number 3. Bag number 4. Bag number 2. And bag number 4.
Wow, there's four
1.
numbers, yeah? But each number have 2 bags. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But some have more bags.
Okay. Maybe you have to follow one by one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start
The
now.
instruction says. One instruction says. Yeah. You have to open. Okay. Let's build the giant Lego. And this is where we put all our stuff.
Oh.
Now,
Can you put closer so your friend, mummy and that can see? Wow, that's a lot of detail in there, Jayden.
yeah, I still have a lot of pieces. Also over here.
Wow, still a lot to go.
Yeah. finish the car.
That looks so cool,
Whoa.
Jayden. Hold on, let mommy film it.
My mind is super blown.
Your mind's blowing. Let me have a look.
Also here.
Yay.
Hmm?
Wow, you can open that too.
'Cause
How
I
about
made
the
it-
door?
Yeah.
Can you open the door too? Cool.
Also, you can open another one.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah. Wow.
It's so cool,
The
Jayden.
car.
Love it.
Now I'm gonna build.
You pretty quick. That take you
Yeah.
like what? Half an hour?
Yeah.
Oh,
might
now?
be. Wow.
See, Jayden has finished one car now.
Now it's time for the other car.
Now you're gonna do what? A caravan.
A caravan,
That
which
is
has
so cool. Look at
which
that.
has the kitchen in it.
Oh wow! I can't wait, Jayden.
Yeah.
See the door? You can open the door.
All of you can't wait to see the other one.
Yes.
So it does look like our car a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is our car.
Yep. That's our family dream car.
Now we're gonna build the caravan.
Oh, which one's the caravan? That one?
This one.
Wow, that looks so cool. Can't wait, Jayden.
Mhm.
Okay, we're gonna put on to time lapse. Let's get started.
Wait, before we do that. Also, later, I only have one more bag to do, which is number 4. And you know I do like building.
Yep. Once he started, he doesn't want to leave until he's complete. Okay, now we're gonna put on to time lapse and we continue our building, okay?
Yep.
Alright, Jayden's really into it now. Let's go, Jayden.
Are you ready to build the caravan with me? Let's go!
There's a table. Yeah, Jayden?
Also,
There's
there's a bathroom.
There's the stove.
Also, there's a bathroom that I'm not done with.
Yep. It's looking good, Jayden.
Yeah.
A lot of detail. Look at that. See that? There's
Yeah.
a sink. There's a small kitchen, a stove. There's a green bed, Jayden's favorite color. And there's a lamp.
Also,
The
there's
light.
a plunger.
There's a lamp.
Also, a plunger.
Where's a plunger? Ah, for the bathroom. Cool.
Let's start bag number 4. And then we're complete. Also, there's a little computer.
Yeah, that looks so cool.
Wow. I'm
Where's
so
the computer?
pleased. Here, which is too little.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. little bathroom. Also, this is my glass door, and this is the real one. And I do have a real one of this. Yeah, I can open. Also, I have some little steps.
Oh, little step. Here we go.
Then,
And then there's a door. Can you open the door?
Yeah.
Wow, let me film inside the caravan now.
yes.
Yeah. Open the door for mommy. Open
Wait.
the door.
Yep.
Yep. Open the door.
Wow.
Okay. Okay. You open the door. You're going in.
Also, here's my other car,
Yep.
which I just showed you last
And
time.
then there's a bed, kitchen. So much detail in this caravan.
And here's the other car, which I showed you last time.
Yep.
Which this and this.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, now let's put the roof on that caravan.
Yeah. But before we do that, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm just saying that. Make sure you support our channel. Give it a like and subscribe. Okay, now we're gonna finish the rest. We still have a lot of pieces here. And I'm doing the last bag.
Is that gonna be the roof of the caravan?
I don't know.
Think so?
I
Let's
don't
do
know.
it and we see.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started again.
Also, me and my mom are filming and doing this challenge together because I can't find the other pieces. So I got my mom. And this is a big challenge for me and mom.
Okay, let's start again.
And also
And-
Bingo.
And Jayden's
helping.
bingo is helping.
Bingo is in charge of looking if it's right or not.
Okay.
I know he's not real.
But he can in charge.
Yeah, but he can in charge. He is a teddy bear, which is a teddy wolf, or I should say, teddy. Okay, this.
Teddy Wolf. Okay. Okay, let's get started
Okay,
to
now let's get started.
finish this caravan, okay?
And I don't even know what this is. Yay! Me and Mom finished our big giant challenge.
Yes.
The caravan and the normal car.
Yay. That's so beautiful.
And also, there's a ladder, and then you can open this,
Okay.
which I can't open now.
Here, you can open this one. Can you open that one?
Yeah,
Jayden?
also you can open this.
That is so cool. Look at that.
Yeah.
Let me have a look. Wow. So much detail.
Now you
here
can look inside the house.
inside the caravan.
And you can also open this.
Yeah. The rooftop too. Cool.
Yep. And then you can jump in too, which is very dangerous.
Yes. This is so cute, Jayden.
Wow.
I love the car. It's like a
I love
four-wheel-
this car and the caravan.
Yeah, it's like a 4-wheel drive here. Look at that. So cool.
Actually, it's a car.
Good job, Jayden.
It's a 6-wheel car.
Yes. Good job, Jayden.
Also, there's me fishing.
Yeah. This is a great challenge.
Also, this is the animals I made from last time. Well, I didn't film this one. Well, I did film it a little bit.
Oops. Okay. So where's the boy? Where's you?
So here's me fishing, and here's the tree where the bird is, and this is me, and that's Mom, and this is my mom and Bar, and this is the caravan, which has my bed inside of it, cause I'm a little bit old. I can't sleep upstairs yet in real life. Yeah.
Try this caravan. Look at how cool that is. There's a kitchen. There's a bathroom. There's table. Dining table. Turn the caravan on the other side. Can you turn it?
Yeah, we can.
This is the other side of the
And also, this has a ladder.
Yep. And this is the other side of the caravan.
And this one has 2 roofs and an antenna.
Oh yeah.
2 roofs.
Yeah.
This is in case it gets hot.
Yeah. And you put it out. It's like a shade.
Yeah.
And there's a door. Beautiful.
And there's my bed.
Yep. Oh wow. There's a bed and there's a desk. Okay. Close that. And then you can close this here, Jayden.
Yeah.
Close that.
Just
And then
in
you
case.
close this when you drive. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you stop, you can put this up and have your picnic. Cool.
Actually, let's put this down.
Yeah, you can put any. You can adjust
Wow.
it much as you like.
Yeah.
And all these windows can be open, isn't it? It's beautiful. And this car you can open from the back as well. Did you close
Also,
it? There. You have to close it, Jayden. You
Also-
can close it.
this car at the back, you can put stuff in here.
Wow.
And Mom did fix it for me.
That is so roomy, Jayden. Let me have a look.
Wow.
Let me have a look again. Look
Wow.
at that. Look how roomy it
It's just so awesome.
is. Jayden loves it so
awesome.
much. There you go.
Wait, before we do
We
that.
can put our things in here.
Wait, before we do that. Can I
We
just
love
close
this.
this for a second?
That's another great challenge, Jayden, that me and you achieved.
Yeah. It
Good
is.
job, son.
Well, I do want to show it to Cora, but I can't. Cause
It's a beautiful Lego toy car. Look at that. This is Jayden and mine and Jayden's challenge today. Since we're staying home so boring here,
yeah, that's why.
and this is our challenge.
Mom got bored, but I got more bolder. So my mom bought 2 Legos, and this is the first one I made. And I did one sleep, and I did 2 chores. I did 1 chore at least, and Mom did the rest of the chores. And then I can open this, cause also. Okay, wait,
Our
Mom.
challenge.
Yep, and this is our challenge to
Yeah.
build this giant Lego caravan and a normal car. Okay, I'm gonna end my video here. Thank you for joining me in this Lego challenge. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to Jayden TV. Bye!